Thank you so much.
Akakiiko kishenjera kakosase kakwasize lawyer Patrick Choncho wa Pathway Advocates Police ya Parliament ahabwo kuremwa kubarira sente z'urukwingana biriyooni 3.2 zirye z'abahinji ba nasare bed z'amajani barikwingana rushanju ubwo kuva kore sendagano zo kubashashura akagaruka kazitwara
that you transfer 90 million and 58 million goes back to your account, more than half. They are here. What was that payment that they are paying for to the law firm? Is it legal fees?
Nabwanyuma bakamabaza nasare bed z'ababire bine kufuna sente zabo bakagambo kuconco yabira biyaho sente baheza kuzufuna okurgom bank kandi bamwe ngo abazire babo bakafa ahabwaza rone z'ababire batunga kurgom bank.
Dada kafuna roni ijaroni yamberayo dadi yafabwa pressure ogomwako kwa kashatu abwa sente zikurema kwiza so twito abana turiyo ntungwanisa kushashura jironi a miliyoni 2 bakatwereza miliyoni 4 izo batwire November kwezi mu November last year
bakata sente account bashwa bagiraki bazihaho twayomba munonga turi kugira ngo agwenshi muratwiba so bayana ngo bazirabye account zetu for accountability kugira ngo nyesakare ko baryagiraki ko baryababuza bagame ngo batushishire kunka bakatulika bulika.
In Kisoro they force you to sign the withdrawal form, manya deposit form. In Rukunjiri, because my husband is retired senior commissioner, you can't force him to sign that, for example. I think for them, Mr. Farah they are talking about, he'd bring empty documents and force you to sign. My husband asked him one time, but young man, why are you telling me these things? I'm just signing, there's no figure. And they will tell you, if you don't sign, even the little you have waited for 6 years, you will not get it.
Nabwanyuma Choncho yagezaho kwehakana hanshongezi ngo akaba atari yo mwaha babire bine kutunga sentezi bitabanyishenjero bashanga ngo sentezi karabaha account ye.
We are talking about people who are here sitting.
We are not party. We are not privy. We are not, as a law firm, privy to the undertaking between the plaintiffs and the people they represent.
You cannot say you are not a party when the money went to your account.
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? You say you are not a party and the money went to your account?
Mr. Katavazi said he cannot furnish us with certain documents and he stated it in his writing. Okay? So we've heard from some of the beneficiaries, just a few of them. And for the benefit of doubt, we are going to have an engagement with all of them to form our recommendation.
Gasha kwa Jime Mhumza.